We're installing an office credenza unit for Mr. Mitchell. It has 4 tall cabinets. The 2 center cabinets have pocket doors. He's going to have his printer sitting on those, and they're also on rollout trays. We've also got integrated lights in the cabinets, and we're going to have outlets in every cabinet, so whatever he needs, he'll have electricity to them. The problem is this unit's on the 3rd floor of the Port Royal condo, and the elevator is pretty small, and the cabinets will just barely fit in there. But Josh and John are getting them in there. This is the most important part of installing, is getting your kick space level. I don't know if you can see it, but that's an 8-foot run, and we're 3/4 of an inch out. And that's typical of a condo because they're all pre-poured floors. High or robust is buoyant, or his soft. Okay. Running all the trim, the scribe, and we're installing lights inside the cabinet. We should be in here in about an hour and a half. See ya.